Hello students, today we are going to see a skill set 6 PostgreSQL and that first SOP. Okay, in that we are going to create database. So create a database using PostgreSQL. Name hospital. So we are going to create database with the name hospital. Okay, next line. In this database create a table of patient with the following fields. Okay, fields are first patient id, then patient name, then address, then room number, and then doctor's name, right? And you are going to give the appropriate data type, means we are going to select a data type which is appropriate to the field. Okay, so this is a table, first column is patient id, patient name, then address, room number, and then doctor's name, right? Now first we are going to start with the PostgreSQL. Here I have the version 13, so I'm going to start with the start button. Okay, then select the PostgreSQL 13. In that select pgadmin 4, right? So it is loading, it will take its own time. Now see, this is first your menu bar. Okay, then this is your window. Okay, in that you can see various menus, that is shortcuts, and then here left side pan you will see the servers. Okay, so explore that server. Okay, click on it, so it will show you the objects, and that see first is PostgreSQL 13. Okay, so we are using PostgreSQL 13 version. Okay, in that see the database. Okay, one database is available default created, that is PostgreSQL. Okay, now today we are going to create another database with the name hospital. Okay, so create that. Okay, select your database, right? If you are selected, right click on it, then create, and then database. Okay, one dialog box will open, and that the type the name of your database, that is hospital, right? So type it, the name hospital. Okay, and then click on save. Before that, if you want to see the SQL statements, how to create database, see it, go to the SQL tab, create database, name is hospital, right? With owner, its owner is always Postgre because it's a server, and encoding is UTF-8. Okay, and connection limit is -1. So go to the general and then see the hospital. Okay, our database name is hospital, then click on save. So we are created a database, right? So it will take a time to create database, then it will appear at the left side of your pan. Okay, see this, it's appearing, and you will see this cross mark, means it is not connected. Just select, right click on it, database, and connect database, right? So you will be connected with PostgreSQL. Okay, so no cross icon, means you are connected with the PostgreSQL server, right? So we are created our database. Now we are going to create a table. Okay, so our table is what? Patient. Okay, in that you are having this different fields that we are going to create: patient id, patient name, address, room number, and doctor's name, right? So we are going to create a table. So it's your database. Now you are able to see two databases are available, hospital. Okay, now see, in that various objects are available, select the schema. Okay, in the schema is your structure of your database. Now in that select a table, you want to create table, so click on it, right? If you are selected, right click on it and then select create, and then table. Clear? Now our table name is what? Hospital, right? Okay, so right, so table name is hospital, its owner is Postgres, schema is public. Now add the column, go to the second tab, column. Here click on the plus icon. Okay, now you will get this row, add the field. Our first field is what? Patient ID, right? Patient ID, right? And its data type is, we are going to take as a integer, right? Data type integer. If you want to give primary key, you can click on yes, but now I'm going to add another field. Okay, that is patient name, right? Okay, patient name. Okay, so okay, patient ID, patient name. Now add another field. Okay, that is third is what? We are going to add a address, right? Okay, and select the appropriate data type. For patient name, we are going to take as a text, right? For address, same, we are going to take as a text, right? So we are selected appropriate data type. Now next, add the another field, that is your room number and then doctor's, which is remaining, room number and then doctor's name, right? So add that, that is room number. Okay, room number, data type is integer. Integer, right? After that, add another field, that is doctor's name, right? That is doctor's name, 9. Okay, doctor's name, right? It is also text. Okay, so we are selected appropriate data type for each field that are given. Now click on save. Okay, so our table is created. Okay, now see that table, it's allocated 1, means you are having a hospital table. Now if you want to see the records, now we are created but we are not added record, but we are going to see this view and then all rows. See it, this is empty table, so you can see its column, that is n, its data type, right? So patient ID and its data type integer, and your SQL queries select star from your hospital. Okay, it's keyword select star means all, then from, after that your table name, that is public dot hospital. Okay, so this is a query. Now we are going to add some record in that table. So our table is hospital. Now select it, then right click, then go to the script and then add insert script. So it will give you a insert query, ready-made SQL query. It's a query editor and it's SQL syntax. Insert into your table name, and then after that in rounded bracket your all the field. First is patient ID, patient name, address, room number and then doctor's name, right? In that you are going to add all the values. Okay, your patient ID is 1, right? Then after that you are going to add patient name, what is the name of patient, right? You are going to add it. Okay, in the quotation mark, because it's a text, so we are going to add it in by using single quote, right? After that patient address. Okay, you are going to add address, that is okay. After that next is you are going to add room number, right? That is 123, and after that doctor's name. Okay, doctor's name is okay. We are going to add Dr. Joshi. Okay, if you want another record, you just copy it and paste it right onto the next line. Okay, and change the values. Okay, that is patient ID 2, Okay, patient name is Seema, right? And address is Virar. Okay, then your doctor is, okay, we are going to execute this query. We are written to insert record. Okay, insert into your table. So we are added two values for the, okay, patient id to patient record. So execute it. Here is a symbol to execute your query, so click on it. Okay, here query written successfully in 99 seconds, so it's executed and it will inserted a record, right? Now see that, okay, how many record we are inserted. Just again go to your table. Okay, then view the data and same query, select star from your table name, so it will display all the records. Okay, select star from your table name, then it will display two records that we have entered, that is first Praveen Virar, okay, its room number and doctor's name. Then second, likewise we can insert as many record as we want, 20, 30, 40, right? So thank you.